Hello everybody, today we are test driving Mitsibushi L200 2017, which came in usual DPF faults. The problems has been solved. Sir, what can you tell us about your truck? How was it driving before and how is it driving?
Before it was really struggling, had to go first gear to get uphill. Now it drives like a new car. It responds straight away, very responsive. Yeah, it's like a little racing car now.
Are you happy?
Very happy.
Excellent.
It's how a car should be.
Okay, any engine lights?
No engine lights, nothing.
Nothing.
She's sweet as a nut.
Yes, excellent. We'll be turning left on the main road.
Okay.
We are Moorhouse Garage Ltd, also known as SupremeDPFCleaning.com, located in Westerham, Kent. Our postcode is Tango November 16 to Echo Tango. You can reach me on 07533636194 with your DPF, EGR, AdBlue, NOx, SCR, high fuel consumption, black or white smoke issues, and power loss problems. We are the masters for what we do. We do ECU programming and Ghost Immobiliser Fitting Center. Please contact me and click on like button, subscribe my channel for furthermore educational videos. Thank you.